What's up, guys? In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful bicep exercises that you can do at home. You don't need a gym or expensive equipment, and if you perform these exercises the right way, you can grow your biceps much faster. I'm also going to explain some important techniques for every exercise. These small details make a huge difference because they help activate your muscles properly and improve muscle growth. So let's start with the first exercise. The first exercise is the dumbbell curl. This exercise is usually done with dumbbells, but if you're training at home, you can use other heavy objects instead. You can use a brick, or even fill water bottles or containers, and use them as weights. On the left side, you can see how to do this exercise at home, while on the right side, you can see the gym version. Now let's talk about the technique. While bringing the weight up, you can move normally, but when lowering the weight, you need to go slowly and stay in control. Try to take at least 3 seconds while bringing the weight back down. This controlled movement activates the muscles much better and helps your biceps grow faster. Do 3 sets of 12 reps for this exercise. Now let's move on to the second exercise. This one is called the hammer curl. For this movement, you need to perform the exercise like this. If you're working out at home, you can use any heavy object. You can fill bottles with water or attach extra weight and use them for the movement. This exercise can easily be adjusted for home workouts. With hammer curls, you can usually handle slightly heavier weight than regular curls, but don't rush the movement. Keep every rep slow and controlled. Also, avoid swinging your whole body. The movement should come mainly from your arms and biceps. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps for this exercise. Now let's move to the third exercise. This exercise is called the concentration curl. This movement is normally done using a dumbbell. While performing it, keep your tricep lightly supported against your leg and focus on controlled reps. You can also perform this exercise at home, just like shown on the left side. This exercise mainly targets the bicep peak, helping your arms look fuller, bigger, and more defined. For this exercise, do 4 sets of 12 reps. Now let's move to the final exercise, called the preacher curl. As you can see, this exercise is performed like this. You can also check the home version shown on the left side. This movement creates a strong burn in the biceps and activates the muscle very effectively, which helps improve bicep growth faster. Perform 4 sets of 12 reps for this exercise. So guys, if you consistently do these exercises at home, you can build bigger and stronger biceps even without going to the gym. Share this video with your friends who are also trying to build muscle and improve their physique. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.